In this short Excel video, I will show you how to quickly switch from one Excel spreadsheet to the other. Let's get started. You might know that when working in Microsoft Windows, you can quickly cycle between applications, documents, etc. that are currently open on your computer. The way you do that is by holding the Alt key on the keyboard and tapping Tab. That will bring up all of the documents, all of the programs that you have open. If you then continue to hold the Alt key, you can tap Tab just one time and then tap it again and then again and then again to cycle between the different programs or documents that you have open. You can then release the Alt key to make the currently selected item be the one that becomes active and visible to you. So that's a nice feature in Microsoft Windows. But if you're working in Microsoft Excel and you just want to switch from one Excel spreadsheet to another, you don't have to bother with Alt-Tab. In fact, Alt-Tab will prove to be a little bit frustrating to you. Why? Because if you're just working in Excel, you may not want to bother with the other programs and documents that may be open on your computer. If all you care about is switching between Excel spreadsheets, instead of holding Alt and tapping Tab, just hold Control and tap Tab. Notice the difference. Because I'm holding Control and tapping Tab, it doesn't bring up the switcher screen that shows all of the open software and documents and spreadsheets. It just simply cycles between the 3 open spreadsheets that I have open on my computer right now. If you have 2 spreadsheets open, Control-Tab will cycle between the 2. If you have 10 open, it will cycle between those 10. This is a wonderful shortcut key combination that helps you to quickly move between spreadsheets so that you can copy and then paste data or refer to a spreadsheet and then switch to the other one that you need to add information to. So next time you have more than one spreadsheet open, definitely try out the keyboard shortcut combination of Control-Tab. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, you can do that by clicking the thanks button below the video. And you can support me through my Patreon account and by buying channel merch. And you'll find more information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of Patreon, I want to give a quick thank you to my $5 Patreon supporters. Thank you so much for what you're doing to support my channel. It enables me to continue making these videos. I spend a lot of time on the weekends and in the evenings working on these videos, and without your support, it wouldn't make sense to continue doing so. Thank you so much.